What's up guys, and welcome to this new video. I know you're here to understand about how you can make money while traveling around the world, and I have 5 tips that nobody knows, or better, that you should definitely know. Before we jump and answer all your questions and give you these important tips, I want to just introduce myself for the people that are new on this channel. My name is Francesco. I've been traveling around the world for the last probably 6 years, and I've been working around the world from anywhere, doing what I love, traveling around the world basically. So if your biggest dream, as mine it was many years ago, is to travel around the world and make money while you do that and enjoy life as I do every day, and I promise that, then you should definitely watch this vlog until the end, because you're gonna learn exactly how to do that from tomorrow. So the first tip for you is definitely to save money before you start this journey, because it's very important that you allow yourself a time to understand how you're going to make money, and a time to allow yourself to organize your journey and to make sure that you have everything you need in order to start making money online and in order to start making money from anywhere around the world. How you do that? Well, for sure right now you're probably working on a job 9 to 5, or if you're not working at the moment, you can find some simple part-time job online, or even like some physical job to start saving your money. Important is that you save enough for a month without earning. So you have to pay for your tickets, you have to pay for your accommodations, and you have to pay for living, so food expenses, anything that you need in order to live in one place, because in this time you're not actually going to travel around the world. You're going to travel probably in one unique place where you are already at the moment, or where you are going to travel to. For example, when I've been starting my journey, I was living in London that time, and I had saved a little bit of money in order for me to start this journey. So I booked one-way ticket to Asia, and I went the first month, I think it was in Malaysia, and then I went to Bali, okay? And in that time, I didn't really understand about how to make money and how to keep traveling around the world. I was going a little bit on whatever it comes, and it was, I'd say, it was a kind of maybe not the best decision, but I didn't have the knowledge that I have right now and that I'm going to share with you. And so you're very lucky today to be here and to listen to me. So if you're actually there and you're enjoying this vlog, make sure you smash the subscribe button, because that will help me to keep doing what I love and keep sharing with you all these tips and making sure that you have enough to start your journey. And so let's jump on the tip number 2. While I was traveling and I was exploring Bali Island, I had a lot of free times, and yes, I was probably exploring a lot of beautiful places around the island, but most of the time I was using this time to learn new skills. And this is exactly the tip that I'm going to provide to you. Learn new skills, use your free time to learn new skills, because this is the most important thing for you. If you do not have skills that you can sell to someone, then how you supposedly have to start to make money online while you're traveling around the world? You need definitely some skills to start selling a product, to start selling your skills, which could be like your photography skills, your videography skills, your coaching skills, anything, okay? And how you do that? Well, there is actually one of the biggest database in the world, free and available for you every day. And you know what it is? YouTube. You are right now watching this vlog, you're learning about my journey, you're learning about how to actually travel around the world, so you can do the same thing with any other type of topic. You can start learning about photography on YouTube, you can start learning about videography, you can start to learn about anything, any type of business that is launched online, you can learn it on YouTube. So don't find an excuse to say, oh, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how you can do this, or I don't know how you managed to travel around the world, I don't have that skills. I didn't have that skills neither. I was not a photographer. I was working completely different type of industry at that time, but I did learn everything from YouTube. I did improve whatever I learned from YouTube, day by day. And right now I am here making content online for brands, for businesses, for you guys, and from this I am actually making money and living. And let's say you are not probably that good in content creation, which is totally fine, but you still want to live and work online while you're traveling around the world. Well, there are actually opportunities for you out there to apply for jobs remotely, so you actually can work remotely from anywhere in the world. Where do you find these jobs? There are plenty of platforms that allow you to find this type of jobs, like LinkedIn, like Upwork, like Job Indeed, and many other job boards online. You can just make a little Google search, as I did right now, and then you can find all the jobs available in the market at that time. You can apply for thousands of jobs a day with your skills and CV, because I am sure that most of the people that take this decision of starting to work online and travel around the world do have already a background in something, so you can use that skills that you already have to actually find a job online. Because nowadays many companies, many brands are starting to realize that actually it is better to pay someone that is a freelancer and not actually to employ someone making work from the office. First of all, because it's more productive, the fact that they are actually at home and they are in their comfort zone, and then second of all is cost wise. Yeah, it is true, maybe a freelancer will cost you a little bit more, but you will have less cost in terms of hiring an employee, and then make sure that he has insurance, make sure that he has enough money to travel to work, make sure that he's always on time at work and things like that. But now let's jump on the fourth tip that I would like to share with you today, guys. And this tip is more for people that would like to start their career as YouTuber, let's say as influencer, content creator, how you want to call it. Well guys, YouTube is definitely one of the best places to start this type of career, because YouTube pays you to actually create content and to feed your audience with content. Of course, you will need to reach an amount of views, an amount of subscribers before you start to monetize on your channel, but that's pretty easy if you are constant in the way as you publish your content. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't really know how it really works and how I could actually get people to subscribe to my channel. So I did learn from YouTube and from other creators on how to do that, and I just replied what they actually, and I just did exactly what they've been doing in order to achieve that minimum amount of views and subscribers to start earning from YouTube. And yes, I did actually in less than a month. That's crazy to think of. I was searching on YouTube other creators and other people, friends that I know that they started very much at the same time as me, and I found out that they were actually getting tons of views and tons of subscribers doing one simple thing, and I was like, okay, why I cannot do that? And I just did it, and it went boom, 95,000 views on my first video. So I'd say that YouTube has everything you need out there, but sometimes we just don't really know where to look at. So if you're starting your channel, make sure that you are producing quality content, or anyway, if you are thinking to publish every day, you will need to be very consistent the way as you do, and make sure that your content still have a soul, okay, and not just publish because of sake. Make sure that you use your audience to monetize, even when you cannot monetize on the platform. What does it mean? There are actually many marketing tools that will help you to do that. For example, when I started, I did have a good amount of people that were subscribed to me, and they were actually following me on very different type of social, like Instagram, TikTok, and so on, but which they came from YouTube videos, and I was able to monetize on these people. How? Simply offering them some e-guides or some type of online services. I was able to get their email address from YouTube, simply leaving in the description a link where they could sign up for my mailing list using like MailChimp, which is one of the most powerful marketing tool available for you for free actually, so you should check it out. And then, as I said, the importance to be able to monetize these people, so to actually sell your product online, that's very important for you, because that's gonna make you making money. And once you apply the system over and over and over, you will see that it will become way more easier to actually make money, and you will see that also you will not need probably to apply for any job online. You can actually create yourself a business model which you can repeat all over and over and make it better, improve, and then also expand in the future. So right now we are on the last tip of this video, which is the most important in order for you to start. And I wish I didn't know this before, and I wish that you actually know it. The fifth tip is do not listen other people. Do not listen your family, do not listen your friends, do not listen anyone that you talk to about your future project and your goals and dreams and how you're gonna pursue it, because probably most of, I'd say 90% of these people will not understand you, okay? It is not on purpose that only few people in society manage to actually achieve goals, okay, and manage to become like super billionaire, millionaire, okay? I'm not saying that I'm a billionaire, I'm a millionaire. I wish I will get there though, but the reason is because you just need to listen yourself. And many people get influenced by the society, by the TV, the media, and so on. Just listen yourself, just follow your dreams, pursue your dreams, make sure that you dedicate the right time to this, and then once you are there, believe me, this is gonna work. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up below, leave me a like, and if you have any questions, there's a comment bar below. I will be answering all your questions about anything, and if you have any recommendation for the next video, please leave that in the comment bar. And don't forget, for the people that are not subscribed yet, to smash the subscribe button, because it's thanks to you all guys if I do what I love nowadays. See you at the next video.